Hello everyone, welcome to my shop. Today I'm here with super cool paintings. I painted it with oil paints and I used a lot of time to paint it. And here are my pictures. These are the pictures which is trending in art feed. And I painted it with oil pastels, which just looks very cool and pretty. These are the pictures which is trending.
Welcome to my shop. Our shop is doing some keychains like this. We are doing this keychain in wooden also. We are also giving some lights like single light for 700 and multicolor for 1000. The size of the rate increases with the size. It will increase like 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 15 rupees. It won't go like 100 rupees and all. So come to my shop for buying.
Hello everybody, I am here to sell some of the toys which I have. And there are many balls and like toys for kids. They also enjoy it. We have many offers in toys. All the toys is below 50 rupees. There are balls and play kit, skipping ropes and many other. So we go only below 50 rupees and these are also manufactured by China. So all children like these toys and come to buy toys in our shop.
Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my shop of RJ Snacks. And now we are displaying some snacks for evening times and morning time with tea and coffee. And we are having more and with coconut chutney. Thank you.
Hello all. Today I am having a stationery shop and I having very high quality pencils for handwriting and drawing. It will be very nice and there will be offers. Every pencil is below 5 rupees.
Hi, welcome to my shop.
Can you demonstrate your product?
Yes, I can. Here are my products.
What all are the colors used in this painting?
I used oil paints to paint this.
How much is this painting?
This is 50 rupees.
50 rupees. It's not laminated. It's inside the plastic cover and it's with inside the A4 sheet. It's not well quality sheet also. How can I give 50 rupees? Can I buy it for 30 rupees?
No, you can't. I used a lot of time to paint this. So you can buy this for 30 rupees.
Okay, what type of paint you used here?
I used oil paints to paint
I
this.
need to hang this paint in my home. I should frame it. Then I should do some works. It may cost many more expenses. So, can you give it for 30 rupees or 25?
Oil paints are the paints which are very costly. So I can't give it for 30 rupees.
Oil paints are not that much cost. I also painted many paintings in oil paints, so I think it much not cost till 50. Can I buy it for 30?
No, you can't buy this for 30 because I purchased that oil paints for 500 rupees. How can I give it for you for 30 rupees?
But you didn't use all the paints, right? You have used some shades of greens, blue, yellow, orange, purple, black, like that.
But I used 3 shades in each places. Did you notice that?
Yeah, but the cost is too high because I need to give more cost for framing this because you didn't laminate also. I should laminate this and frame this. So can you give it for 30 rupees?
It took a long time to paint this and used a lot of colors to paint this. So I can't give it for 30 rupees.
Okay, let me think.
Hi, welcome to my shop. What do you want? I want keychains. How much is each keychain? This keychain is for 25 rupees. This is also for 25 rupees. But this cost 40 rupees as the size is increased. Okay, this cost is 25 rupees because it was a glass and it can be easily broken. No? But this is a glass which can be broke easily. If you put more than 10 times, it will broke. But if you put one time by mistake, it won't broke.
Okay, and it was fully colorless. What can we do for that? Then shall I buy it for 20 rupees?
No, you can't because this takes current fees and more on. So you can't buy it for 20 rupees.
But it can broke after 10 times load. What can we do?
As it was a glass, it will broke. But we are also having wooden.
How much will be the wood?
For small size, it is 25 rupees. And when the size increases, the rate also increases.
Okay, can I take this one?
Yes, you can.
How much?
This is 25 rupees.
Okay, here.
Thank you.
Hi, welcome to our shop. What do you want?
Hi, what are all the products do you have?
We have all the toys in our shop. What do you want?
Can I get cup and saucer?
Yes. If you buy this 3 cup, you will get the 2 plates free. And this is 40 rupees.
Compress the price at least for 30.
No, this is manufactured by China. So it will take 3 days. So I should pay for that also. So it is 40 rupees.
It's not even a marble and it's plastic. How can you say it is from China?
But it is a nice quality of plastic.
No, I can't see that it's plastic. That is not that much. So 30 rupees. 30 rupees is fine, okay?
No, I am giving 2 plates free because if you buy 3 cups, you will get 2
I
plates
want
free.
that 2 plates. Can I get it for 30 rupees?
No, I already discounted it from.
Discounted? You didn't even reduce the rate, man. Then how?
It is actually 50 rupees, but I discounted 10.
50 rupees is not worthy for that. So at least 30. 30 it's enough. Okay? I didn't compress the price, no? I'm not asking for 25. I'm just asking 30.
No, it is worth for 40 rupees.
At least 35. 35. Okay?
No, because it is a machine manufactured. So it comes from a long
35
distance.
is enough. Not more than that. Just I'm compressing 50 rupees. See, 15 rupees. Shop. What do you want to buy the snacks?
Hello, can you demonstrate your food? What you have?
I have vada, samsa and bhaji.
How much this each?
One vada is 10 rupees. All are 10 rupees only.
Compared to other shops, it's selling more than 4 rupees. Can you sell it in 6 rupees?
No. It is fully made of not made of reuse oils, and we now only ready the items which is made the.
It's looking too much, taking too much oils.
No, it not taking too much oils. It rate is 10 rupees. We are take care of the snacks for our customers.
But it's junk food, but it's not good for health. So you can sell it less than 4 rupees 6.
No, I give it for 10 rupees. Ask another shop. It also cost 10 rupees.
But it's not good for us health, and it take too much oil. Other shops are selling 6 rupees for one plate. I'm asking each one is for 6 rupees.
No, each one is 10 rupees.
Okay, I'm looking for others.
Hi, welcome to our shop. How much pencil you want?
What? How much is this?
One pencil is 5 rupees.
5 rupees? No, I can't get it for 5 rupees. Can you give this for 3 rupees? I want 3 pencils for 8 rupees.
No, because it was high quality pencil and it was very strong lids.
What is there for quality in pencils? No, I can't give it for 5 rupees. I mean, get it for 8 rupees. 3 1 for 8 rupees.
Actually, it's 3 1 for 13 rupees.
No, I can't. I may give you for 10 rupees.
10 rupees. Why?
There is nothing to
One
pay
pencil
here.
was normally 5 rupees. What can we do for that?
But wholesale rate is too low, right?
Okay, you can take it for 10.